Proposal to nearly triple Indianapolis City County Councilor pay will be introduced at Monday's meeting. The proposal by Democrat Monroe Gray would raise councilors' base pay from $11,400 a year to more than $30,000. Now, the council hasn't had a pay raise in 16 years, and when compared to peer cities, those with Unigov, Indy's pay ranks last. Recent attempts to increase the pay have failed, and the council's top Republican predicts this one will too.